Okay guys, we're spray painting our box. Orlando's got his black spray paint. We're getting ready for the spaghetti head box. So we're gonna give it a good coat of black spray paint. It's gonna give a nice visual effect when he's got his head inside there. The pasta and the tomato and Alfredo sauce is all gonna contrast really, really well.
I got my trusty utility knife. I'm just going to cut off the side of the box. If you're using a utility knife, guys, make sure you have parental or adult supervision. These things are sharp.
So we're gonna have a three-sided box in a minute, guys. And then we're gonna cut a little slot for Orlando's head.
Alright, now all I gotta do is that there.
Gotta test your head in that thing. I guess our box head is ready for some pasta.
Oh yeah!
Okay guys, we got our 3 pasta sauces ready. We got our tomato sauce, Alfredo sauce, and pesto. All of these are gonna be going on Orlando's head.
Alright guys, now we gotta boil our pasta. So I'm gonna put some fettuccine in this little pot here, and then some spaghetti, and then I'm gonna take some rotini and put the rotini in the pot. There we go.
Okay, so we're gonna do a couple rehearsals. Lighting's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll get my stepper into place. Okay, you ready for the rehearsal, Josh? So I'm gonna be the first 2.
Okay, when I press play, I'll just start going. Once you guys are in position.
Yeah, I'm in position.
Okay. Pasta, spaghetti rotini fettuccine, very tasty pasta, tomato Alfredo pesto. What's your favorite pasta?
Okay, now we'll just hand it out. You know what I mean? We'll just. So we'll just pretend to do it. So we're all on tempo.
Okay. Are you guys in position?
Yeah.
Pasta, spaghetti rotini fettuccine, very tasty pasta, tomato Alfredo pesto. What's
Your tomato.
favorite pasta?
We'll do it one more time. You're gonna want to turn that right up, Orlando, so we can actually hear the visual cues.
Oh yeah, I guess you guys need to hear too.
Yeah.
Alright.
So I'm the first 2, and then you're the third, and then the break, and then the 4th.
Okay.
Okay, I think we got it. Okay, whenever you're ready, I'm gonna press film. So I'm just gonna leave this filming from now on. Okay, we're in the right position. Okay, so I need to get my 2 bowls ready.
Okay.
So I'm spaghetti first, and then, okay, I have to get real high. Okay, let me just make sure my pasta's loose. I don't want it to not come out. Okay, yeah, I think I'm good. Are you? This is the big one.
Yeah. Are you guys both ready?
Yep.
Alright, I'm gonna press play.
That's me, 2, you.
Okay?
Yeah. I had a little delay on mine, but I think it'll be fine.
Oh.
Look at his head from the front, Josh.
Oh, that is awesome.
Can one of you guys grab this pasta from me?
Oh yeah, we're gonna put it all in the box and throw it right out. Sorry, I'm just gonna press. Okay, let me move this out of the way. That is hilarious. That is so funny.
Gross.
Okay,
Oh.
let me get the tape off. Oh, gross.
When you delayed it, made me stutter a little bit, but I think it should be fine because the audio will be good. It like stunned me. It was way colder than I thought it
Oh,
would
you
be.
should try to dunk your head in the box.
Oh man,
Okay, you guys,
that's
check out the pasta head. Look at the mess after. You guys, this is behind the scenes pasta head. Smile for the camera there, pasta head. Ooh. Okay, you guys, this is behind the scenes take 2. You guys, we messed up on the first one. We were off tempo, so here we go for try 2.
Pasta, spaghetti, rotini, fettuccine, very tasty. Pasta, tomato, Alfredo, pesto. What's your favorite pasta?
I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna hold the pasta in my hand this time. Like I'm actually gonna take a big handful.
Wait, where sheep?
I don't know where it goes.
Oh, yeah, just.
Okay, so I'm gonna press play on the main screen now. Let's see, put your head more that way. There you go, like that way. Okay. Is the light too bright or are you good?
I'm good.
You can see it?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're recording, we're live. I'm gonna go.
Let me know when you guys are ready.
Yep, I am ready.
Okay. 3, 2. Pasta, spaghetti, rotini, fettuccine, very tasty. Pasta, tomato, Alfredo, pesto. What's your favorite pasta?
Okay, you guys, we got it. We got it this time. Let's go. Let's get a close up on the man.
What up, guys? My name's old Greg.